Welcome to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for creative garden decor, art, and craft inspirations. Today we are excited to share 16 beautiful DIY garden fence ideas with bamboo trellis and climbing vines that will completely transform your outdoor space. These budget-friendly and eco-friendly designs are perfect for adding privacy, charm, and a touch of nature to your home. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing gardening ideas. Create a timeless look by assembling bamboo poles into a classic diamond lattice pattern along your garden boundary. This sturdy structure provides the perfect support system for vigorous climbing vines like ivy or jasmine. As the greenery grows, it weaves through the bamboo to form a lush, living privacy screen. It is an affordable way to add elegance and natural texture to your yard. For a modern and minimalist aesthetic, arrange clean bamboo slats horizontally to build a contemporary garden wall. This design offers a sleek backdrop that beautifully contrasts with colorful flowering climbers like clematis. The clean lines help define your property boundary while maintaining an airy, open feel. It is a simple DIY project that instantly upgrades your home exterior. Incorporate fan-shaped bamboo trellises at regular intervals along an existing plain wooden fence. These elegant structures draw the eye upward and create dedicated climbing zones for delicate sweet peas or morning glories. The fan design adds architectural interest and breaks up the monotony of a flat wall surface. It is an excellent choice for smaller gardens looking to maximize vertical space. Infuse artistic flair into your garden by constructing a striking chevron pattern using short bamboo pieces. This eye-catching geometric design serves as a stunning focal point even before the vines fully mature. Once climbing roses begin to scale the chevron frame, the fusion of structure and blooms looks absolutely breathtaking. This project allows you to showcase your creativity while enhancing home security. Embrace a rustic, organic vibe by weaving flexible bamboo branches, asymmetry style into a freestanding garden screen. This natural barrier blends seamlessly into cottage-style gardens and supports lightweight climbers like black-eyed Susan vines. The irregular spacing allows dappled sunlight to filter through, creating beautiful shadow patterns on your lawn. It is a wonderful way to recycle garden materials into functional art. Construct a series of tall bamboo teepee obelisks along your property line to act as a modular garden fence. These sturdy structures are exceptionally well suited for heavy climbing plants like passion flower or running beans. Grouping them together creates a dynamic, multi-dimensional boundary that feels both playful and organized. This approach offers flexibility since the teepees can be easily repositioned if needed. Build a charming, low-profile fence using a tight crisscross bamboo pattern wrapped in fragrant honeysuckle vines. This setup provides excellent privacy while filling your outdoor air with a sweet, delightful aroma. The dense weave ensures that the climbing vines have endless contact points to secure themselves safely. It is a sensory-rich addition that invites pollinators like bees and butterflies to your yard. Incorporate framed bamboo grid panels into a sturdy wooden post structure for a high-end, semi-formal look. This method combines the durability of treated lumber frames with the organic beauty of woven bamboo inserts. Climbing hydrangeas look magnificent, climbing up these grids, creating a dense wall of white summer blossoms. It is a sophisticated design that boosts your home curb appeal significantly. Line up thick, whole bamboo poles vertically side by side to form a solid, tropical-style palisade fence. Secure a light wire mesh over the front to give climbing mandevilla vines a place to grip and climb. The bold texture of the thick poles combined with vibrant trumpet-shaped flowers creates an exotic backyard oasis. This design offers maximum privacy and excellent wind protection for sensitive plants. Address an uneven terrain beautifully by installing a series of stepped bamboo trellises along your sloped property line. Each descending section can host a different variety of climbing vine to create a cascading tapestry of colors. The tiered structure naturally guides the eye along the landscape, making the garden feel more expansive. It is a smart, functional solution that turns a landscaping challenge into a feature. Combine functionality and romance by integrating a grand bamboo archway directly into your garden fence line. Guide vigorous wisteria or climbing bougainvillea over the arch to create a breathtaking living canopy gateway. This design separates different zones of your yard while maintaining a cohesive, natural aesthetic throughout. It adds a magical, secret garden ambience that will enchant every visitor. Design a sophisticated privacy wall by arranging slender bamboo stalks in a classic herringbone pattern. This intricate layout provides a dense shield against prying eyes while remaining visually captivating on its own. Fast-growing vines like passion fruit can quickly cover the surface, offering delicious fruit alongside lush green leaves. It represents a perfect marriage of high design, maximum privacy, and edible landscaping. Create depth and dimension by installing a double-layered bamboo grid fence with a slight gap between the layers. This unique setup allows climbing English ivy to weave in and out of the structure, creating a thick, three-dimensional green wall. The overlapping bamboo lines cast deep shadows, adding an element of mystery and architectural complexity to your yard. It is exceptionally sturdy and stands up well to strong winds. Give your home a cozy countryside feel by crafting a traditional picket fence style using split bamboo halves. Pair this rustic boundary with classic climbing nasturtiums that spill colorful edible blooms over the top rails. The casual arrangement feels warm and welcoming, perfectly matching a relaxed cottage garden aesthetic. It is an easy, highly rewarding weekend project that costs very little to complete. Construct a series of large, square bamboo frames containing abstract, geometric internal supports for a truly modern look. This minimalist framework looks stunning against a contemporary home facade, allowing climbing star jasmine to soften the sharp angles. The contrast between structured geometric lines and fluid organic vines creates a striking visual balance. This design proves that bamboo can look incredibly chic and upscale in a modern landscape. Extend the height of a short existing brick wall by mounting lightweight bamboo ladder trellises along the top. This clever addition allows you to train vibrant trumpet vines upward, adding vertical interest and extra privacy without building a whole new structure. The combination of solid masonry and airy bamboo creates a balanced, texturally rich garden boundary. Please make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you loved these inspiring ideas.